and my dear students, as I promised that I'll probably post a new series of mole concept numericals. So here we go. So in the previous topic, we had learned about how to calculate the number of moles. So the formula we were using is small n is equals to small m upon capital M, right? This formula is used to calculate the number of mole when the given mass is there, right? So today we are going to study about when the calculation of particles, right? Today we are going to study the calculation of number of particles. Suppose you get any question to calculate the number of particles. Already I had in my previous video, I had already told you about the formulas. So I'm not taking your much time for describing the formula. I'm just taking straight away the question, right? So here is a question. Calculate the number of particles present in 0.5 gram of H2SO4. This is the question. How many particles are there in 0.5 gram of H2SO4? Okay, 0.5 ग्राम H2SO4 में कितने पार्टिकल्स हैं? यहां मोल नहीं निकालना है, हमें पार्टिकल्स, आयंस या एटम्स निकालने हैं. Is it clear? So let us start. First of all, you have to write down solution like this. Okay, then what is given, you have to write down given. Given में हमें क्या क्या दिया हुआ है बेटा, ये ध्यान दीजिए. Just see, we have been provided with a small m, given mass it is 0.5 grams, right? Then we are having capital M, we can calculate by the molecular mass of H2SO4. So here we go, it is H2SO4. So we can calculate it. One hydrogen का atomic mass कितना होता है? 1:2 plus 32 plus 16 into 4, right? So it will be 2, it will be 32, it will be 64, right? Though this will be 32 plus 2 is equal to 34 plus 64. So this will be 98U. Okay? 98U is the molecular mass or capital M, right? Now what we have to do, we have to put it in the formula. So this is given. Okay, now what we have to calculate, we have to calculate n is equals to question mark. Else what we had been provided with, we are being provided with n0. n0 को क्या कहते हैं? That is called as Avogadro number. Okay, so Avogadro number, right? So Avogadro number n0 is always given, or you can learn it 6.022 into 10 की power 23. This is the value of n0. Okay, so I hope इतना समझ में आ गया आपको. Now I am rubbing it. You all can just go backward and see whatever the things are there. So 98U is our m, and capital small m is given this 0.5. Now what we have to do, we have to put these values in the formula which I had given to you. For calculating the number of particles, we have to use small n is equals to small n into capital N is equals to small n into n0. This is our formula. So here capital N represents number of particles. Small n, we can simplify it by putting the value of small m upon capital M, then multiply it with n0. Now the mass of m is 0.5 grams, capital M is 98U, then n0 is 6.022 into 10 power 23, right? इतना समझ में आ गया आप लोगों को ना? Now 0.5 it is given, so remove decimal 5 upon 98 into 6.022 into 10 की power 22. We are removing one decimal, then one power will be less. So one power less कर दिया हम लोगों ने. Then what we have to do? We have to divide 5 by 98. So here you can see I am dividing 98 by 5. So it is 98. Then again 5. Sorry, it's mistaken. Actually we have to divide 5 by 98, right? So 98 से 5 नहीं जाएगा. Then we have to add 0. Then again we have to add 0 here, right? Then it will 0 will come here. Okay? Now it is 500. Now just calculate the tables of 9 which is not less than 50, which is less than 50. So 9 6 are 48, but it is 98 and 48 means it will be more. So let us take 98 5s are. So when we take 98 5s, the 5 8s are 40, 0 carry aaya 1, 5 9s are 45, 4 49. See exact what I said, right? So it is 10. We get 10 here. Okay. Again, if you want, just put 0. 98 1s are 98. Again 2. So it will be so on. So we have to divide only up to 2-digit decimal. 2 digit के decimal तक divide कीजिए, उसके बाद छोड़ दीजिए as it is. So I am rubbing it. What we get? 0.05. So it will be what? 0.051 into 6.022 into 10 की power 22, right? This reading we get after dividing it. Now what we have to do is we have to do 51 multiply 6.022. Just multiply it. So it is simply 2 1 2 to 5. Okay, just do one thing. इस प्रकार से आप डिवाइड करोगे तो काफी लंबा आएगा. So do one thing. जो बड़ी संख्या है वो ले लो 6022 और छोटी वाली से इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 51 से. तो ये 1 से करोगे आपका 6022 आ जाएगा. देन क्रॉस मारेंगे आप 5 2s are 10, 0 कैरी आया 1, 5 2s are 10, 1 11 को 1 कैरी आया 1 यहाँ पे रख देंगे 5 6 30, राइट? इतना हो जाएगा. अभी 2 2 1 7 3 0, राइट? ओके, नाउ काउंट द डेसिमल संख्या 3 एंड 3 6 अंक पे डेसिमल आ रहा है. तो 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it will be 0.3. So it will be 0.3 into 10 to raise to the power 22 particles or atoms or ions. In this way, you can solve the second type of numericals, which is calculate the number of particles, right? So I am going to give you 3 questions to calculate the number of particles. You all have to do it and just comment it, right? So comment your answers, or you can give your answers through my WhatsApp number, and you all know my WhatsApp number. If anybody don't know, just message me. I'll provide you the WhatsApp number of me, right? Okay, so I am giving you, just changing the reading. It is 0.5. So first question is 2.5 gram of HNO3. First question. Second question is calculate the number of particles present in 4.5 gram of LiAlF3. या छोड़िए, ये थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा फॉर्मूला आपके लिए, तो कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट कर देते हैं, राइट? सो यू हैव टू डू दिस वन. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज कैलकुलेट द नंबर of particles in 1.125 gram of my favorite salt, glucose, C6H12O6. So these are the 3 questions which you have to solve at your home. Okay, again I am going to tell you the third type of numerical too, right? So third type of numerical is what? Third type of numerical is actually asking you the value of small n, means number of moles when number of particle is given. Is it clear? Right? When the number of particles are given, then how can you calculate the number of moles? So you see, what we formula is n is equals to capital N upon small n 0. Means आप समझिए इस चीज को, इस फॉर्मूले को समझिए, right? अब you all have studied unitary methods in mathematics, right? सपोज मैथ्स में क्वेश्चन दिया रहता है कि 25 पेंसिल्स का रेट 50 रुपए है, तो एक पेंसिल का रेट क्या होगा? देन व्हाट विल यू डू? यू जस्ट डिवाइड, राइट? डिवाइड ही तो करते हो ना. एक पेंसिल का मूल्य कितना आएगा वो आप कर लेते हैं ना टोटल मनी से. सो दिस इज द वे यू हैव टू डू लाइक दिस सम्स विल सी. ओके, so you can see here we have to do this calculations by using such type of method. It is very easy one, yaar. It is very easy. Just see one numerical I am going to solve, then I am giving you 2 more questions, that's it. So the question is, how many moles are there in 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23 particles of take any formula CaOH whole twice. Just take that one, CaOH whole twice. Suppose CaOH whole twice के आपको total number of moles you have to find out, right? So what we have to do then, right? What we have to do here? See, right, solution, and what is given here? Given is what? Capital N is given 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23. Then what is given? अगर given नहीं भी है तो भी आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. The value of N0 is 6.022 into 10 की power 23. Very good. Now putting in the formula, what we have to calculate? N is equals to question mark. Now N is equals to capital N upon N0. Simply you have to write down the units and the values which is given. That is 12.044 into 10 raised to the power 23 upon 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. पावर से पावर ये कट गया, इसको आप आपस में डिवाइड करेंगे तो 6 2 जा आंसर आएगा. सो आंसर इज 2 मोल, राइट? 2 मोल आंसर. और एक सीक्रेट बता रहा हूं आपको, इसका आंसर 2 तो मैंने निकाल दिया है, 3 4 5 इससे ऊपर हो ही नहीं सकता है. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? तो अब क्वेश्चन कैसे बनेगा? सिंपली यार करना क्या है, 6.022 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, उनके जो नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स आ रहे हैं उनको अपना सोल्यूशन मान लो, क्वेश्चन मान लो, और उसी के साथ सोल्यूशन कर लो. लाइक आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू 3 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ दिस टाइप ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल. नाउ मोल कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर. नेक्स्ट आई विल टेक अप थर्ड चैप्टर, दैट इज एटम्स एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स. ओके, so the students, those who are watching me, if you like the way of teaching and the way of expression, please subscribe my channel and do maximum comments, as well as मेरी एक इच्छा है अगर आप पूरी कर सके, I want to reach maximum people and maximum students of India, those who are not able to get any sort of coaching, tuitions, etc. They must also help it out, right? मैं भले इंग्लिश का प्रयोग करता हूं, लेकिन हिंदी में भी आप अगर समझेंगे तो फार्मूले तो समझ ही सकते हैं और उसको कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, राइट? तो प्लीज आप इसको ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों तक शेयर करें, जिससे कि वो लाभान्वित हो सके और मुझे भी खुशी होगी. और माई एम इज नॉट टू मेक राइट. सो इट्स फाइन. लेट अस टेक अप 3 क्वेश्चंस. Okay, first question is Second question is, third question is, पहले से स्टार बना दे रहा हूँ. So first question is what? Calculate the number of moles in 3 जा कितना होगा 18.066 into 10 raised to power 23 particles of NaOH. एक चीज ध्यान रखना, यहाँ पे कोई भी फॉर्मूला दिया हो, कोई भी फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे हो, आपको टच नहीं करना है. नो, डोंट नीड टू calculate the molecular mass. As I am checking the board copies, so I had find lot of students are doing such type of mistakes, so kindly don't repeat it, right? So you have want to do anything from this. So next is calculate the number of particles in divide it by 4, 24.088 into 10 raised to the power 23 particles of C12H22O11. This one is the next question, and the third question is divide 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 by 5. So calculate the number of particles in 5 6 31.011, I think 30.1.011 into 10 raised to the power 23 particles of NaCl. Let me have one. I have one confusion. Let me divide 6.022 into 5. So 5 to the 10 0 carry 1, 5 to the 10 1 11 1 1 5 से 30 30.110 सही ना? नहीं थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है. 30.011, right? 30.0110 into 10 raised to the power 23 particles of NaCl. These three questions are your homework. So do complete it and comment whether you like the topic or not. If any problem is there, just comment it and please subscribe. Thank you.